A man's life doesn't fall apart overnight. It collapses slowly, one bad habit at a time. The late nights, the excuses, the lack of discipline, the wasted potential, they all add up. Most men don't realize that the very routines they normalize are the same ones keeping them broke, weak, and stuck in the same cycle year after year. If you don't break these habits, they'll break you. Here are the patterns silently destroying men's progress, and why you must escape them before they shape the rest of your life. If you're visiting this channel or page for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Habits that will keep any man broke, weak, and stuck. 1. Depending on gambling as a source of income. A man who treats gambling like a career will never build real wealth. Gambling destroys discipline, blinds logic, and trains your mind to expect reward without effort. A strong man builds income through skills, strategy, and work, not luck. If you rely on chance, life will always control you. 2. Watching porn and constantly masturbating. Porn kills a man's drive faster than anything else. It drains your energy, weakens your confidence, and destroys your discipline. The more you consume, the more you disconnect from real life, real women, and real goals. A man who can't control his urges will never control his future. 3. Sleeping around with multiple women. Chasing women wastes a man's most valuable resources: time, energy, and focus. It keeps you broke, empty emotionally, and inconsistent mentally. A man who gives his life to pleasure loses the ability to build anything meaningful. Purpose comes before pleasure, always. 4. Spending more than he earns. This is financial self-sabotage. A man who lives above his means will always live in stress, debt, and chaos. Discipline isn't only about work, it's about money too. If you can't control your spending, you'll never control your life. 5. Trying to impress everyone with his giving. Generosity is good, but using it to buy acceptance is a weakness. A man who gives to impress will always be drained and disrespected. People sense when you're trying too hard. Real generosity comes from strength, not insecurity. 6. Blaming everyone but himself. A man who doesn't accept responsibility can't grow. Blame keeps you blind to your own faults. If everything is someone else's fault, you'll repeat the same mistakes forever. Ownership is the foundation of success. The moment you say, "This is on me," your life changes. 7. Never reading or growing mentally. A man who refuses to learn stays stuck where he is. The world is evolving, but he's not. Mental growth creates financial, emotional, and spiritual growth. A man who doesn't invest in his mind becomes outdated, unskilled, and replaceable. Books, mentors, and constant learning sharpen a man's edge. Don't forget to subscribe to Men's Corner on YouTube and follow Men's Corner on TikTok. Like, comment, and share this video. See you some other time.